So the two things that I've learned on the DNA replication topic is that I learned that it is run in a chronicle order natin. So first, it must be first unwind by yung sa helix natin by the enzyme helicase, so that the nucleotide fragments natin are being exposed, and then we be read and then accurately paired. Then next is that the DNA replication natin involves mga components natin, mga vital components. The mga isa doon is we have si helicase, si DNA polymerase, which will ensures that the cleaving will be in direction ng 5' to 3', and then yung primase natin, that will be the one to magle-lay ng foundation, and then the DNA agarase, this is to ensure that the continuation of the replication natin occurs because of its negative supercoiling. The third one is yung SSB natin. It will be the one to stabilize yung kwan natin to ensure that it will not be again annealed.